I talk a lot on this channel about building your perfect capsule wardrobe, but what is the true goal behind that closet full of clothes? I believe the goal behind every woman's wardrobe is to functionally and successfully express herself in every situation life throws at her, especially during her everyday life. There's absolutely nothing better than feeling like yourself no matter where you are. But how do you accomplish that? How do you actually nail your personal style every time you get dressed? When I work with clients, I always start with the 12 competencies of personal style. I call them competencies because they represent knowledge and skills that form the foundation of a well-rounded and purposeful wardrobe. I really want to start sharing these foundational tools with you in a more meaningful and purposeful way, so you're gonna see me refer to this list a lot more often in the coming year. Today, let's focus on the concept of core style and how you can really use your core style to nail your everyday looks again and again. Before we dive into the most important step for nailing your personal style, I'd like to take a second to thank LILYSILK, who've kindly sponsored this video. LILYSILK is a beautiful brand specializing in premium cashmere and silk garments. I have a lot of experience in evaluating brands for their fabrication and craftsmanship, and I can attest to the impeccable quality of their pieces. They also have the perfect mix of elevated basics and unique outfit makers. LILYSILK kindly gifted me 3 items which I'll be styling throughout the video to show you how I apply my core style to these super classic pieces. And if you choose to visit LILYSILK, use code 12ALYSSA to get 12% off your entire order. Okay, now grab your pen and paper or your phone because we're about to figure out your core style. Verbalizing your style with the 3-word method. The crux of core style and consistently creating outfits that fully express yourself is to verbalize your style. What happens when you verbalize your style is really amazing. By verbalizing our style honestly, we recognize who we are, we give ourselves permission to express who we are, and we start to subconsciously integrate that point of view into our lives, both internally and externally. And over time, that feedback loop of recognition, permission, and integration is what fuels your personal style journey. So how do you define your core style? The most useful way to define your core style is with 3 adjectives. And I really challenge you to distill your adjectives down to 3, no more and no less. 3 words provides just the right amount of nuance without being chaotic. 3 words create the perfect balance. If you're looking for some help in determining your 3 words, think about how you want to be, how you want to feel, and how you want to look. Your 3 words should establish 3 elements that you really can't go without. If any of these 3 elements is missing from your look, you don't quite feel yourself. These 3 words are really meant to be your core style, the 3 elements that every outfit needs in varying proportions. For example, my 3 words are relaxed, classic, and edgy. But not every outfit is 1/3 classic, 1/3 edgy, and 1/3 relaxed. A work outfit might be almost entirely classic pieces with a slightly relaxed fit and an edgy shoe. The point is that these elements can be dialed up or dialed back depending on the situation, but if any one is completely missing from the outfit, it just doesn't feel like you. Of course, you can add even more dimension to your outfits by adding a 4th style element on top of this core, but first you really need to verbalize, integrate, and master the 3 words that define your core style. As I mentioned, my 3 words are relaxed, classic, and edgy. I chose relaxed because my natural state of being tends to be quite stressed. I want to feel and be relaxed throughout my day, and I need my clothes to support that. Classic because I want the flexibility to transition my outfits through many different situations. I'm also drawn to clean and minimal shapes and solid colors. And edgy because I crave a certain balance or tension between feminine and masculine elements in my outfits, which I feel is best described as edgy. So while you're brainstorming your 3 words, I'd like to talk you through a few outfit ideas from my own capsule wardrobe so that you can get a sense for how you might apply your core style when you're getting dressed every day. First, let's talk about this striped shirt from LILYSILK. It's made of a beautiful silk twill fabric that is light and drapey but substantial. Silk is already a very strong material, but in this silk twill, it will be an extremely durable and long-lasting piece in your wardrobe. On the website, they style it in a super classic way with white trousers and a white belt. It looks amazing, but leans very classic and preppy. For my own personal style, I want to take it down a notch and give it some weird or edgy touches to bring it back into balance with my style words. To accomplish this, I paired it with my favorite baggy black pleated jeans, which are very relaxed but still maintain a classic trouser shape. Then I used this button hack to create an interesting twist at the front of the blouse. I definitely could have thrown this on with a white-heeled sandal for a dressier look, but to make it more casual and edgy, I chose these red patent boots. I find a colorful shoe to be such a useful tool for adding interest to an outfit. In this case, a black boot would have worked, but the red one is a little bit more interesting while still allowing the eye to land on the striped shirt as the statement piece. Next, I have this gorgeous brown cashmere sweater, which I'm also wearing right now. Another preppy and classic piece at first glance, I think this is such a versatile sweater for almost any wardrobe. The coffee brown color is on point and mixes well with almost any other type of color. Although this sweater can easily be dressed up for dinner or the office, it already lends itself well to both the classic and casual styles. For the office, I'd wear this with my white pleated jeans and a pair of black pointed toe heels and a black belt to make it office appropriate while still just a little edgy. Keep in mind that I work in an office with a pretty open dress code, so denim is an option for me. The jeans embody casual, classic, and edgy all in one, with the relaxed fit, trouser pleat detail, and raw hem. Then the pointed toe pump is edgy yet classic. The belt adds another classic touch, and the hairstyle maintains a more feminine element. Altogether, this is a good balance of classic, casual, and edgy for me in an office environment. Because this sweater is so classic and in a muted neutral color, it makes a great foundation for creativity and experimentation in the rest of the outfit. Plus, the soft cashmere texture makes an interesting pairing with a leather or faux leather pant. I stacked under a white tank top to create some color contrast and highlight the knit collar detail. Then I repeated the white by layering a white athletic sock with a simple black sandal. This is definitely a bit more creative and daring, but playing with different socks is a really inexpensive and low-risk way to add edge to an outfit. It's also really functional, allowing you to take some of your summer sandals into the autumn season. I would wear this to dinner for sure, and I would probably also wear this to work if I swapped the white sock for a gray, brown, or black pair to tone down the edginess and make the shoe-sock combination look more like an interesting boot. So we've seen how this sweater can create a more classic outfit and a more edgy outfit while still maintaining a balance of classic, edgy, and relaxed. Now let's look at an option that leans more casual. Of course, a pair of ripped black jeans is both extremely casual and a bit edgy. I added a strappy white sandal for a more feminine element and finished the look with a brown ball cap to create a more obvious weekend vibe. The ripped jeans and the sandals are pretty functional for me since I live in Charleston, South Carolina. A classic jean and some sneakers with a big black or gray overcoat would strike that good casual classic edgy balance as well for a cooler climate. Finally, we have this amazing black silk midi skirt. It has a minimal design and a tasteful slit, which I always look for in a skirt for the ease and functionality. The fabric is so soft and comfortable, and it has a slight sheen. It is a silk charmeuse, which gives it that pearl luster. If you're a lover of black, choosing fabrics with texture like this is key. Since this skirt is very feminine and classic, I toned it down with a charcoal gray sweatshirt and my dark blue suede cowboy boots. I love this combination, and it is ridiculously comfortable. The sweatshirt is casual and the cowboy boots are a bit unexpected, which adds some needed edge to the outfit. And now to show you another more creative option, I went for the socks and sandals combination again and paired this skirt with a striped t-shirt. I like how the black and white of the sock and shoe resonates with the striped shirt. The red and white bag brings in another variation on a stripe to really build a theme within the outfit, making the many unexpected elements feel like they belong together. And even though this outfit leans heavily creative, it still combines classic, casual, and edgy elements. So even though it's on the edge of my comfort zone, I still feel like myself. So, did you figure out your 3 words? If you did, comment them down below. I'd love to hear which words you came up with. And if you're still not sure, check out the description box where I'll be dropping a link to my wardrobe analysis worksheet, which might help you start to verbalize and visualize your style. Don't forget to check out LILYSILK for some amazing classic pieces that are adaptable to any style. And if you choose to use my link to purchase, don't forget to use code 12alyssa for 12% off your order. If you genuinely like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more personal style and capsule wardrobe videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.